Hello viewers, Chas here at the Snoco Makerspace. I'm going to do a quick tour and give you a walkthrough and show you what the Makerspace has to offer. Makerspace is in a medium condition right now. There's always work in progress in there, so you'll see some stuff laying around, but this is a community makerspace and there's plenty of work going on. So if you have any questions about what you see, drop them down in the comments and we'll try to get back to you. Thank you. Alright, in this video we're going to head upstairs. This is where all the new visitors should first come, just for a tour or say hi. This is also where we do most of our workshops that are not machine specific related. We have a couple display pieces over here and we're entering the purple room. So on the left here we have sewing equipment, a couple machines on top. I think there's a serger up there. I'm not real savvy in this stuff, but all the tools you need to do some sewing projects, related. And over here we're just some general workspace areas. We have a laser build here, and then there's another one over here. Maybe a little messier than regular, but there's a lot going on right now. Off to the right here we have button making, some papercraft stuff. The left hand side over there is just display stuff. Into the blue room, another laser build that's temporarily there on the right. It's a 3D printer at my feet here, but this is the electronics bench, some test equipment, oscilloscopes, programming stuff for Arduinos. We have more test equipment if you need it. Then the soldering bench, which includes hot air machine and then some through-hole soldering for both surface mount and through-hole. Tools there kind of in the middle, and then parts and pieces for use up on top. On the back here is the microscope and wire and another workspace. In the back there is membership storage for those who need it. Then over here we have some LED laser engravers, or laser diodes. We use, I think it's laser gerbil there, do workshops for that to teach you how to use it, of course. This is the Big Delta 3D printer on this wall, as well as other 3D printers. This one right here is getting replaced. That was that 3D printer by the feet behind me. We use Simplify 3D. We have 2 seats for that. Some ABS printer down below, and then the rest are kind of Ender or CR10 printers or clones. We have 8 printers, I believe, right now. Then vinyl cutting over here, the bigger machine here, and then smaller one there in the back. And we have a bunch of material if you want to learn how to use that. Some stuff up on top for workshops and associated parts and pieces. And then back here is where we rent these 2 little spaces to people. This is one of our members, Scott's 3D printed Saturn 5 rocket, I believe it is. It's all 3D printed from the ground up. It's a lot of filament there. And that concludes the upstairs. Before we take off for the downstairs, I'll kind of give you a sneak peek from up on top. See who's down there. Hey, Tony.